Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change language on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio application, which of course I've done right here. Next one is, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type omio.com. Then it's going to take you into the official website for Omio. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account from the top right corner of that screen. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here on this homepage, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change language in Omio. So let's say you change location and you want to change the language, like you just want your Omio app to be acquainted with a new location that you're in that has a new language, and you just want to change the language, or you're just bored, you just launched Omio and default is English, but you don't really understand English and you just want to change it. That's exactly how you can change the language. So check the top corner of your screen and you have the currency icon, currency sign, and you have the flag. So go ahead and click on that flag, the drop down icon close to the flag. And now you have all of these languages. So this is English US and this is this. I don't know how to pronounce that. And you have this, that is 16, and you have this, you have Dutch, you have that, you have English UK, you have Espanol, you have Suomi, Francais, this, you have Magyar, Italiano, you have all these that looks like Chinese, you have the Norks, you have Netherlands, you have Polski, Portuguese, Portuguese BR, Portuguese BT, Roman, and you have this, you have Svenska, you have this, and you have this. So these are the languages that are available. Let's say I want to change to English UK, so I'm going to set it to English UK, and my homepage is going to be refreshed with the language that I changed it to. So this is now English UK. So that's it. Say how. Okay, we use cookies. So I'm just going to click on accept all. And so after changing the language, then you need to sign in again. So just go ahead and use the sign in option for you to, sign in again. So I'm just going to click on continue as Amanda because I signed in using my Google account. So that's it. I've been able to change my language successfully. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.